All right, so today I gotta go run to Walmart, pick up some baggies and stuff. I'm gonna actually end up pulling this apart to get this ready for powder coat. And while we're at that, we gotta go drop off some parts for the big bike to my buddy. He's actually gonna be doing some CNCing for some the mounts that go right here, up over here. And I think we're gonna do some other stuff, so I'll let you guys know later on that with what goes on with that. But let's go drop off some parts and get some more baggies and stuff to go rip this apart and send this stuff out to powder coat. All right, so I got pretty much all the parts in here that are gonna go out, and we're gonna try to make some titanium foot pegs to match the stock foot pegs. See what he could do. Might get into the game of selling some titanium foot pegs if we can do it for a reasonable price. But let's go do that. Let's go drop these things off. In the fancy neighborhood, had to go through a guard gate. Even got a golf course up in here. I guess that's what you get when you run CNC machines. You get to live fancy and rich. Unlike me, who lives in an apartment complex. But hey, at least I got a place to live. Look at all the geese. Oh, you can't see the geese. The geesies. Neighborhood's fancy. Ooh, got the 450 out. And we're here. So cool, bro. Got that sick G37, bro. Coming in hot on this 250. All right, I just got back from the store. Now it's time to get this bike all disassembled. Take the swing arm and the fork tubes to go get powder coated. And I'm actually gonna take the frame later on down the road to go get powder coated. So let's jump right into it. All right, so the forks are all disassembled. We're gonna go out and take the swing arm and the fork tubes to powder coat, get those powder coated, and then finish disassembling the frame. All right, so I just ended up taking off the frame. So that's actually gonna go out to powder coat along with the fork tubes and the swing arm. So let's go run and drop that off at powder coat. All right, so we just pulled back up. We got the frame back from powder coat. Sneak little peek, some gloss black. We got the fork tubes, the rear brake pedal, The triple clamps, those are just staying the same for right now. Got some goodies, got some fork seals, got some fork oil, and all right, so I'm just waiting for a few more things. This frame, all the rest of the stuff's back from powder coat. Gonna assemble the shocks and all that here in the next video. So if you guys are looking forward to that, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. And hopefully next week we'll unveil the 110 build.